Hello class. As you know, we're talking about interior design. Before I go into more detail about what we're going to be learning today, I want you to look at these two pictures. And I want you to kind of look for what is the difference between these two pictures. So you can see that it's the same room, but what they have done is they have added accessories. So accessories are what we use to help create a space, making it more, comfortable, homey-like, give it the design style that we are going for. So we're going to learn about what accessories are and what are the different types of accessories. So this right here just talks about that the accessories that you choose for a room, it's going to define the style. We talked about design styles last class. So it's going to help create that style and give it the finishing touch for your room and your space. So one type of accessory would be mirrors. Plants are also another type of accessory. Vases, frames, pillows, rugs, lamps, all accessories. Any kind of monogramming, special touches like that to personalize it would be accessorizing. Wall art would be accessorizing. Any kind of wall decals or wallpaper would be considered accessories. Again, look at this picture and pick out some of the accessories that you see. You probably said wall art. We have a mirror here, and of course we have pillows. Even books that you see on the table. In this room, we have some flowers right here. That would be an accessory. These candelabras would be considered an accessory. Of course, the mirror. Pillows on the bench. Curtains would be an accessory. When you are trying to accessorize a room, you really want to try to come up with a color scheme, which makes it a lot easier to focus your accessorizing for your room. So the key to making an assortment of accessories work is color. So in this bedroom, the horseshoe chair is paired with a typography pillow, a little pitcher that has some hydrangeas in it, and an elegant hat box. So they obviously have a black, white, and green theme going on in this particular room. We talked about balance. So in this room, we have asymmetrical balance because these pieces of art are balancing this vase and the flowers. So even though it's opposite things on here, totally different, the space is still balanced. So these are called vignettes when you have groupings of accessories. So giving some asymmetrical balance can create interest. So you might want to consider choosing accessories that have different heights, which allows the eyes to move around, kind of guide your eyes up, which makes you then look at the wall art. So having different heights, if everything was the same height, it would be boring. Artwork on the wall will also act as part of your vignette, so keep it in mind when arranging your accessories. You can create groupings. So I often like to use books to add height to items. So I would maybe even consider setting this vase on top of my books. So in this living room, a bowl of silver acorns, a platter of fruit, and a vase full of flowers create a pleasing flow of accessories. Having a variety of textures, so you can see the texture in this plant. And even what's back here that looks like it has a texture as well creates some interest. The smooth wood, pewter, the fabrics, sprigs of green, they all add to the display. So here's some outdoor accessorizing. This area on this back patio was kind of boring and blah. They added some accessories, and voila. So clocks would also be an accessory. Here's the other side of their patio. And they added some curtains, a rug, of course a table and chairs, which is, tables and chairs is more furniture, not accessory, but they have accessories on top of the table. If you have an Asian theme, you might consider having items that are found in nature, hand-painted ornamental designs. Those are often typically things that are found in Asian design styles. Colors such as red and black are very popular with Asian design. Clean lines. Bringing in live plants such as lucky bamboo or other Asian greenery can give a feeling of tranquility to your living area. If you're going for more of a coastal, you're going to want things light and airy. You're going to want beach-themed accessories like seashells, starfish, having things like this jute, or the woven, I should say, plant. Things that have those beachy hues like blues, the sand colors, whites, all lend to that particular style. When you have contemporary, you want those nice clean lines. You want some neutral elements with maybe a few pieces that have a bold color. Lighting, which creates straight lines and sleek metallic finishes, is often used in contemporary design. If you're going for a cottage design style, you want things to be very comfortable. Soft colors, flowers, weather and distressed finishes. If you want a country design styles, you're going to want muted hues of red, black, or white accents in a country style. You might also see some patterns that have a check pattern. You might see some wood, handmade rustic quality accessories, pottery, baskets. French country, you're going to have exposed beams, copper hoods, patterned fabrics, a more eclectic look, like it's kind of different pieces put together. Yellows and reds are going to be used. Rustic furniture, floral prints. Eclectic is going to have a variety of periods and styles. So you're going to want to just have a few neutrals like black, whites, and navies. So for example, this dresser vignette has been put together with an eclectic look. Another key component to the style is to mix in different finishes and textures. Modern is going to be very clean and streamlined, kind of like contemporary. Look for accessories in smooth, polished finishes and neutral hues. A modern must-have is strong graphic artwork that makes a statement in the space, like you see in this back wall. So here's an accessory here. It's very clean lines. Traditional is going to have like oil paintings, pillows or throws that have a damask pattern, which is like little people on there. Floral or solid fabrics, which set the scene for a traditional room. Warm woods and colors also help to create that atmosphere. So accessories are used to style a space. You can see this is a bookshelf that uses a bunch of accessories in it to help balance the space and give it interest. We see pottery, we see wood, we see vases, we see books, just little things here, but everything has a place. It's not just a bunch of stuff that's thrown onto. You can see things were placed, meticulously, and things are balanced in those spaces. They're used to style a space. So I'm going to put these links to these videos onto Google Classroom, and I want y'all to watch them. Hopefully they'll all open for you. Watch them, and then you will get your assignment for today. Y'all have a good day.